According to research, the UK is the drug and alcohol addictions capital of Europe. The research was carried out for the UK government by an organisation called the CSJ, the Centre for Social Justice. Here are some of the findings of the research. 1. 52 people in England and Wales died after taking legal highs, 24 more than last year. Number 2. There are at least 130 websites selling these cheap products by mail order. Number 3. 1 in 12 young people in the UK has taken a legal high, the highest figure in Europe. Number 4. 150 new substances have come on the market in the last 3 years, but the government has only banned 15 of these substances. Number 5. The budget for residential treatment of heroin addiction has been reduced in 55% of councils in England. Number 6. Nearly a third of people in England who take drug substitute prescriptions like methadone have been taking them for more than 4 years. Number 7. 1 in 4 adults in England drank to harmful levels, and 1 in 20 are dependent drinkers. In response to this report, Crime Prevention Minister Jeremy Brown said the government took the threat of legal highs very seriously. He described them as highs which should not be assumed to be either safe or legal. He said, "We are banning whole groups of substances rather than individual drugs, and we have introduced temporary drug orders which allow us to place harmful substances under control. This protects the public while giving time to our independent experts to prepare more detailed advice." Okay, so that is the end of the news report for the second time. And so if you need a couple of seconds to finish off answering those questions, then I invite you to pause the video, okay? Because I'm going to give you the answers. I'm now going to go through the answers. So if you need some more time, pause the video and have a think. Because I'm going to give you the answers in 5 seconds time. So pause now if you want. So I'm going to give you the answers in 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, so let's go through the answers. So question 1, what is the name of the organisation that carried out this research? The answer is the Centre for Social Justice. Question 2, how many people died last year from legal highs in England and Wales? The answer is 28, and I underlined the word last year because this was important, because in the article or in the news report the number is 52 for this year, and then in the news report it said, and this was 24 more than last year. So that means that the answer is 52 minus 24, which is 28. So it was a bit of a trick question, but you had to be really listening carefully. Question 3, what budget has been reduced in over half of the English councils? Well, the answer was the budget for residential treatment of heroin addiction. How many people are dependent drinkers? The answer was 1 in 20. 5A, what is the name of the government representative? His name was Jeremy Brown, and his position was Crime Prevention Minister. And the 7 missing words were He said we are banning whole groups of substances rather than individual drugs. Okay, so let's go through now. I'm going to play it one last time for